In the heart of a bustling residential area, where houses stood shoulder to shoulder, Andreaponsarquitectura envisioned 00 house not as a typical dwelling, but as a sanctuary. The initial concept was born from a primal desire for privacy, a response to the immediate surroundings. It began as a simple cube, a minimalist box designed to be unnoticed from the outside, yet within its walls, occupants could carefully curate their experience of the world. The aim was to create a sense of intrigue, a seemingly impenetrable exterior that, once crossed, would dissolve into an expansive, luminous interior. The northern elevation, highly exposed to the outside world, became a canvas for this interplay of privacy and perception. Drawing inspiration from traditional Mediterranean architecture, a perforated facade was meticulously crafted using local ceramic lattice pieces. This wasn't merely a decorative element, it was a strategic screen, allowing residents to observe the outside world without being seen, while simultaneously casting enchanting patterns of light that shifted with the sun's journey across the sky. Stepping through the screened access, visitors are greeted by a surprisingly bright interior, where a carefully framed view of a lush backyard draws the eye, a testament to the deliberate placement of every window to control internal perspectives and artfully exclude undesirable external elements. The materiality of 00 House reflects a commitment to authenticity and longevity. Sincere, natural materials like natural lime mortar, ceramic pieces in earthy tones, and cement floors were chosen for their ability to age gracefully with minimal maintenance. This preference for natural finishes embraced imperfection and irregularity, celebrating them as inherent aspects of the home's beauty. On the first floor, the bedrooms embrace a height patio, a secluded terrace with elevated walls that provide absolute privacy from neighboring properties. This ingenious design not only creates a private outdoor haven but also strategically frames a window to the distant mountains, carefully obscuring less desirable views and truly allowing the residents to decide what enters their world.